When using Excel, summing values is a fundamental operation, so let's start with it. Begin by selecting the cell where you want the sum to appear. For example, let's say you clicked on cell K7 to calculate the marks for the first student. Initiate the formula with an equal sign. Type sum after the equal sign. Press the Tab key, position the cursor where you want the sum to begin, like cell J7. Click and drag it in the direction of the marks. See, no issue occurred. Drag from right to left or left to right, both give the same result. Press Enter. We got the answer. Another way to sum up all the marks is go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Look for the autosum button in the toolbar. It is usually represented by the Greek letter sigma. Click on the autosum button. Excel will automatically suggest a range based on nearby numbers. Once the range is selected, press Enter on your keyboard. Or we use the formula like this. Start with an equal sign, type sum. Press the Tab key, then use the simple bracket, write F9:J9, then close the bracket. After this all procedure, press Enter. See, we got the sum of all marks. Go to the cell and click where you got the sum of marks of the student, and the cursor becomes a plus sign like this, then drag it downward. You can see you have got the sum of marks so easily.